Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, week 2 of V2VLC Global Studies. I hope everyone's having a wonderful week. I know I am. Sorry it's Wednesday and I'm already getting out my video. I'm a little late. I promise I'll get better at this weekly video thing. So I have a couple things to talk to you about. I'm really enjoying talking to everybody on the phone, getting to know you a little bit. So if you haven't had a welcome conversation with me, I need to talk to you right away. So send me an email and we'll arrange a time. I've started doing them on the Big Blue Button webcast that's on the Canvas. That's worked out pretty well, and unless you really, really want me to call you on the phone, I'm going to try and set up a web conference with you from here on out. And that goes for the DBAs, or the discussion-based assignments, and the welcome calls. Okay? So I'm going to switch this to a screencast because I want to talk to you about a couple of quick things. I want to talk about the status reports, which some of you are already submitting, and how that's supposed to work and things. So give me just a moment and I'll switch over so you can see my screen. Okay, so I wanted to talk to you for a few minutes about the status reports. Several of you have turned in status reports already, even though it's a little bit early to be doing so. What I wanted to show you is here. So go to the modules, and here are the status reports. All right, so the first one is due September 15th. That's the fall planning report. And for the fall planning report, you should be talking about your learning goals. You're going to look at the course syllabus and make sure you're on track and that you've finished your pace chart. And once you've done that, you're just going to send me a file that says complete. That's all. Super simple for that one. But really what I wanted to talk about are the next status reports. Starting October 1st, you'll be submitting a status report on the 1st and 15th of every month. Even though some of them are out of order, notice November 1st, November 15th. So the 1st and 15th of every month, you'll be submitting a status report. Looking at the October 1st status report, when you submit your status reports, you're going to submit them on the 1st and 15th of every month. And you're going to be submitting a document that's pretty basic. You're going to answer 5 questions. First, what did you plan to do during the month? What did you actually get done? And what are you going to do? So that just talks about what things are coming up, what have you finished, are you behind at all, that sort of thing. What are you going to do differently? Look at what strategies you need to overcome any difficulties that you had, any questions you've got. And then finally, when's your next DBA? And the idea is that you should be on pace, that you should be ready to discuss the next unit with me, and that you've scheduled a time to talk. And the last thing you're going to do is that you're going to confirm that your grade is, that you're up to date and that you're on pace with your parents. And that's so that we have feedback between your teacher and your parents, and that kind of thing gets in. So you submit that document to me and you should be all set. Those are the basic things I need to talk about today. So your next status report should basically not show up until October 1st. You'll notice that the due date is a little bit iffy. If you want to submit your October 1st status report on like September 28th, that would be okay. If it's like a Saturday and you don't get to it until Monday, that's also all right. I can handle that. Just make sure it's sometime around the date it's actually assigned on. Okay. So if you haven't scheduled your welcome call with me yet, make sure that you do that. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you later.